Across the centuries, the very air of these ancient forests seems to whisper tales of the samurai. The samurai were far more than just skilled swordsmen. They were the embodiment of discipline, honor, and an unwavering commitment to their code of Bushido. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this remarkable armor, exploring the craftsmanship, the symbolism, and the enduring legacy that continues to captivate and inspire us today. For over 7 centuries, the samurai dominated the battlefields of Japan. Their iconic armor, much more than mere protection, became a symbol of their power and status within the rigid hierarchy of feudal Japan. The evolution of samurai armor itself mirrors the changing tides of warfare in Japan. From the early, relatively simple designs intended for mounted archery to the later, more intricate suits built for infantry combat, each innovation reflects the samurai's adaptation to new threats and evolving battlefield tactics. The craftsmanship involved in creating these suits elevated armor making to an art form, with master artisans dedicating years to perfecting their skills. Today, samurai armor stands as a testament to a bygone era, offering us a glimpse into a world of honor, discipline, and unwavering loyalty. The creation of samurai armor was a meticulous process, demanding a deep understanding of both materials and warfare. Iron, the backbone of their defense, was carefully forged, beaten and lacquered to create plates that were both strong and flexible. These plates, often hundreds in number, were then intricately laced together with silk or leather cords, allowing for freedom of movement while maintaining structural integrity. Leather, another crucial component, provided padding and flexibility. The helmet, perhaps the most iconic element of the armor, was designed not only for protection but also to intimidate, often adorned with fearsome masks or elaborate crests. This meticulous attention to detail transformed samurai armor from mere protective gear into works of art, testaments to the skill and dedication of the artisans who forged them. Creating samurai armor was no mere trade. It was an art form passed down through generations of skilled artisans. These masters, known as kachushur, dedicated their lives to perfecting their craft, their skills honed over years of apprenticeship and meticulous practice. The process began with the creation of the individual plates, each one carefully hammered and shaped to conform to the warrior's body. The lacquer not only added a layer of protection against the elements, but also provided a canvas for intricate designs and family crests. The lacing together of the plates was another testament to the kachushi's skill. The legacy of the kachushi lives on in the remarkable pieces of samurai armor that have survived to this day. Samurai armor was much more than just protection. It was an extension of the warrior himself, a canvas upon which he could display his family legacy, personal achievements, and spiritual beliefs. Family crests, known as keimen, were prominently displayed, showcasing the warrior's lineage and allegiance. Warriors might also personalize their armor with trophies taken in battle, adding elements from defeated enemies as a testament to their prowess and courage. The helmet, the most visible part of the armor, offered the greatest opportunity for personalization. Through this intricate language of symbolism, samurai armor transcended its practical purpose, becoming a powerful expression of individuality and a testament to the rich cultural heritage of these legendary warriors. Though the age of the samurai has long since passed, their legacy continues to resonate, their influence extending far beyond the battlefields of feudal Japan. The iconic design of their armor, a testament to both artistry and functionality, has inspired countless artists, designers, and storytellers, finding new life in modern fashion, film, and video games. The sleek lines and intricate details of samurai armor have found their way onto catwalks and into fashion magazines, influencing the work of renowned designers. In film, the image of the samurai warrior, clad in his distinctive armor, has become synonymous with honor, discipline, and martial prowess. The enduring appeal of samurai armor lies not just in its aesthetic beauty, but also in what it represents: a dedication to craftsmanship, a reverence for tradition, and an unwavering commitment to one's values. The samurai may be gone, but their legend lives on, passed down through generations, inspiring us with tales of courage, honor, and unwavering dedication to their ideals. Their armor, those magnificent suits of steel and leather, stand as testaments to a bygone era, whispering tales of bravery and sacrifice. If you found this video as captivating as we did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow history enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations into the past. Join us as we continue to uncover the mysteries and marvels of our world, one adventure at a time.